Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Nadia and today we are presenting you a wonderful townhouse, a corner townhouse with beautiful and big terrace for 395,000 euros. We are now in Los Balcones area in Torrevieja. This means we are so close to the beach. It's only 15 minutes drive, but also we are close to the lake of the pink lake of Torrevieja. In this area you have everything that you need for a quality life just in your surroundings. You have several supermarkets, you have gas stations, bus stations, and the best, you have many nice restaurants in this area. One of the top ones of Torrevieja is just a couple of minutes drives from here. But let's show you around and what this specific property offers you, which is not a little. We have many interesting details. First one, I want to start by this beautiful terrace. It's very sunny, it's very nice assembled, and as you can see the garden is very nicely landscaped. We have a lot of greens to add comfort into this area, and here we have the private parking space. I want to show you because this is very unlikely to have in properties like this. You have two entrances, one was there, another one here when you can park your car, and this is the new thing. You have electric charge for your car. Now I want you to follow me to the inside of the property because you're gonna like it. So let's get inside of the house. This is our entrance by a nice security door, and we access right away to the living area, which I love how much already now in the evening time we have light from the east, and here we have the other side with big nice window. When the sun goes to the other side, we'll have sun entering here all day, which is wonderful. And now let's see this area. Continuing, we have the dining area and the open plan kitchen with, as you can see, very nice assembling and design. Everything that you need, all the equipment is here. It's a very nice detail that this house is almost like new build. It's been built 3 years ago, but because you're buying a resale, you already have all of these supplies included, which in new build it's not the case. Now let's follow up here. We have the first bathroom. We have a full bathroom on the first floor with a shower plate. Following, we have this first bedroom, which is very nice. We have, as usual, a window, a full wall of wardrobe, and overall very nice space. But let's get further. Now let's get back here, and I want to show you that we have a very nicely assembled utility room, which is separated with a very nice door, so you won't hear any sounds when you're doing your laundry. Now upstairs, here to the upstairs. Oh, the cat is not included. So on the second floor, we have here two bedrooms. The first one is the small one, which is also very nice with, as you can see, much natural light coming from this nice window. Here we have the wardrobe area, another beautiful window to have maximum light, and here we have an ensuite bathroom with very nice shower plate, and we even have this nice window to the ceiling where more natural light comes to this house. I love the plan that they made because this is very valued. You have a Spanish environment of much sun, enjoying the light. It's wonderful. Now let's see the other room. Here is the master bedroom. Very nice space. We have wardrobe here. We have the terrace with huge windows again, which I love. And here we have another ensuite bathroom. But here we also have full bathroom with shower plate, and again this very nice window to the ceiling, which gets even more natural light coming in. Just another comment in here, even in the top floor we have central heating in the house, which is amazing. Now in the solarium we can enjoy the nicest sun and the nicest views. On the left hand we have the views to the pink lake of Torrevieja, which today is especially nice color and brighter pink, which I love. We have a lot of area of lounge area here to enjoy. They also have these coverings, so if it's too much hot, especially in summertime, this is so nice to have. But let's follow me here to see what the views are on this side, because we have the partial views to the sea, and on this side it's very nice that we have orange tree. So to wrap up this nice tour of this beautiful house for 330,000 euros, I want to stand here with the views to the lake and remind you why this is a very nice area to live in. Because in Los Balcones, we are still very close to the sea. We are 15 minutes, even 10 minutes drive if we don't have any traffic. And in the surroundings, apart from a quiet and nice area, we have supermarkets, we have pharmacies, we have even these small shopping centers that are on that way to Torrevieja. We have very nice restaurants and of course supermarkets, bus stations, gas stations. Every service that you may think is close by, even La Zenia shopping center or the Habaneras of Torrevieja. Everything is close by here. But this house, coming back to this house, it was built recently. It's only 3 years old. It's very nice condition, and when you buy it, you have more advantages than buying it recently from the builder, in this case because you have all the furniture included, except from the couple things they will take with themselves, but you have all the house assembled and ready to get in. You have the AC machines included, the kitchen, white goods, all here. As you see it, it's for you. So if you were interested in this property, guys, you just have to text me on this number that you see on the screen and arrange a viewing. Yeah, I hope to see you on the next one. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.